This is the Boost LED Bib for neck and décolletage, clinically proven to rejuvenate skin on a cellular level. It delivers 633 nanometer and 830 nanometers of red and near-infrared light to stimulate collagen production, brighten skin, and reduce fine lines. Shaped to target the signs of aging on the neck and chest, as well as blemishes and sun damage on the shoulders, this bib pairs perfectly with the Boost LED face mask for a full salon-quality treatment at home. For the bib to work efficiently, it should be used on clean skin. Use the Boost enzymatic cleanser, which gently but powerfully exfoliates without stripping the skin, providing a perfectly smooth canvas for even light absorption. And if I want to supercharge my LED treatment, I'll apply the hydrating peptide serum under or after the LED to amplify the collagen boosting effects. This serum smooths the surface of the skin while the light plumps from within. Build brighter, firmer skin with just 10 minutes a day.